Alright, in today's video, watch me braze a 3-inch water main line for a commercial building. I speed the video up right here, but it takes a lot of heat to be able to get it up to temperature, to be able to take the seal floss. Just this one joint took about 6 minutes to braze. It is definitely a lot more heat than a regular solder joint would take. Not only that, but this is a big pipe, so it requires a lot more heat. I was using an A tank of acetylene with an A32 tip. That's a pretty big flame to be able to get it up to temperature. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video to see the end results. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.